Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you the new Triumph Street Triple 765. This is the RS, this is the range topping one. So over the R model, you've got the big Brembo M50 monoblocks, big piston Showa forks, 123 horsepower on these, and you get a quickshifter. And they come with a Pirelli Supercorsa standard. They're absolutely amazing bike. If you read the reviews, they're just fantastic. Come with a full colour TFT dash, and we'll show you some features on that as well. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 629 miles. You can see the Ohlins rear shot there. So it's literally as new with a big saving. It's got a tail tidy and some crash protection on it. So all the bits you'd probably put on yourself, and big saving over new. You can see the dashboard on there. It's a full colour one. And you can change lots of different themes. You can go back to the home display there. You can go down to the theme setup, the display setup. This one here, theme 2. Style 2, and if we go back to home, you can change where you want your rev counters and your digital speedo and what gear you're in and so on. You can look at all lap times, odometer, when it needs a service, tons and tons of information you can get off this. Really is super cool. Just how technology's moving on, it's fantastic. You've got heated grips, just absolutely amazing where these bikes have come from. I remember the original one, it came out just basic clocks and no safety features. Now you've got ABS, you've got traction, you've got everything you want. So it's still got that fantastic triple engine, 765 cc's. We'll give it a start for you, they always sound fantastic. They are just brilliant. So if you want to come down to the showroom, we'll show you the display. Come on down and see us at Jordanbikes or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.